Hey guys, the wig that we'll be reviewing today is a 20-inch U-part wig from LuvMe Hair. This wig comes with clip-ins. You got 2 clip-ins on the side, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back, and you got adjustable straps. The hair is so soft and doesn't have a smell at all. When you purchase the U-part wig, you also get a pair of flat irons, mink lashes, wig cap. It also comes with a wax stick, clips, a band, bobby pins, and a comb. I went ahead and braided my hair before I did the video and just left out the part where I wanted my leave out. This wig is super easy to install, guys. Just snap those 3 clip-ins around your anchor braid. So once I have the wig secure, I'll use my LuvMe flat irons to straighten out my leave out. Guys, the flat irons heat up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. To get my hair to blend, I'm going to use the wax stick sent by LuvMe Hair. Yes, guys, I'm loving it. But wait, I'm not done. This wig is versatile. We got it on the side, we about to switch it to the middle. So during my braid down, I also created a leave out for my middle part. So what I'm going to have to do now is I'm about to braid back down my side part and unbraid my middle. Now I'm just going to attach the clip-ins to the middle anchor braid. It's time to flat iron that middle part out. This wig holds curls very well. Guys, I am in love with this wig. I love the versatility of the wig. I highly recommend LuvMe Hair. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the like button. Make sure you turn on your notifications for more of my videos.